Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So another important update from the Jutes Bank hiring apprentice program. So biggest update out. So in the previous week I provided you this hiring and those who have applied now are getting the reward. And this is the reason friends, in every video I am saying that keep applying. आपको नहीं पता आपको कहाँ से रिवर्ट आ जाएगा, तो जिन्होंने भी अप्लाई किया था now they are getting the reward. Must comment whether you got or not. So this is the reward students are getting, that you have applied for our one of role for apprentice with us and we request you to share the below details so that we can discuss the opportunity in detail. So उसमें बोला गया आपको कि that you should be fresher and it is of duration 12 month and you should not having PF account. मीन्स अगर आपका PF account already बना हुआ है then you will be not eligible. मीन्स कहीं भी अगर आपने टेम्प्रोरी जॉब वगैरह किया है and if your PF account has been created then you will not eligible for this drive. So must comment here whether you got your not, okay, and mention your batch. Okay, now one thing friends I want to tell, that read the points very carefully. Like you need to share the NATS portal 12 digit ID number to them. Okay, and that's the reason I'm saying that they will first verify you, then only you will be getting the further assessment or interview mail, whatever the things. Okay, क्योंकि कोई particular pattern जो कि ड्यूट्स बैंक को ऐसा कोई फॉलो अप्रेंटिस का नहीं करता, बट आई थिंक there will be direct interview or it might be assessment. It completely depend on them, and they have clearly mentioned that if candidate has recently graduated or has appeared for the final exam but has not received passing certificate, then they will not eligible for processing under the apprentice. Means अगर passing certificate आपके पास नहीं है then you will not eligible, so you need to wait for some other drive. So this is a small update. Must comment here whether you got or not, and those who have exam, best of luck, especially for the Infosys exam. And we have already shared lots of preparation materials and other content on my WhatsApp or Telegram group, so if you haven't joined you can join. And again saying friends, keep applying for other drive, keep doing cold mailing and other. Okay, so the important points I will say, those who got the mail, first of all congratulations. Now work hard, especially on DSA and the projects. Okay, so whatever the things you have mentioned in your resume during application process, make sure to cover all those point, and DSAs और कोडिंग क्वेश्चंस एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स पे वही ज़्यादा फोकस करें, बिकॉज दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दैट ओनली पॉइंट एंड देयर विल बी mass competition because many of the students are getting, so you need to perform well in the exam so that you will get the confirmation from the Jutes Bank. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. You can join our WhatsApp or Telegram group for getting such important job updates. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.